What's going on, everybody? This is the postseason 9-box PYT. Going deep, going yard. 5-star, tier 1, Bowman Chrome from this year. A couple of Boys of Summer from this year. Bowman Chrome from 2022. Topps Chrome Black from 2022. Couple of double shots. A massive high-low bonus featuring the Paul Skeens comics. A box of nothing but Paul Skeens. And boys and girls, some of you I think are sleeping on this a little bit.
The Bobby Bounty.
If we hit a Bobby Witt Jr. autograph, and we got 2 boxes where it could happen, Chrome Black and Bowman Chrome. If we hit a rookie autograph or a first, we double the break. And then we also, if we hit some other stuff, some numbered parallels, we give away some break credit. And guys, boys and girls, you do not have to give up your card. This is just an added bonus to everybody in the break. You still get to keep your card. And then we also got a little number match going on. So all kinds of nuttiness going on here. This is everybody in the break. Take a look at it. And without further ado, here is P. John.
Right back. I had to make room for some freshly ripped packs and boxes in this trash can. Real quick, we do have to pick out 2 double shots. 1 through 6, positioning, whatever rolled, that will be which one, regardless of the number on it. So 3, another 3, 2 and 3. All right, these 2 are good. These will be left to marinate until a later date. Perfect. And let's make sure we don't. There we go. All right. Let me catch up on the chat. Let's see. All right, Brewers, Pirates. All right, I'm feeling. See if I can sniff one out. I can sniff Pirates out, Grant. That's easy. They're right here. That's your boy, Skeens.
I don't think the stakes could possibly be higher on the high-low bonus.
They're pretty high.
Better lock in, P. John.
I'm locked, and we're loaded. All right. Let's go. Let's knock the boys out. The boys, they're the appetizer. The boys are the hors d'oeuvres before you make your way to the table and order the appetizer. That's how we're going to treat them until they respect us.
Oh, Boys of Summer, I mean, you got Skeens.
I'm trying reverse psychology. I'm talking mean to them.
Jackson Merrill. Should be a decent amount of Jackson Merrill in the boss.
I want to see a little Uno Skeens here. Tired of not seeing it. How about the fish up first? 18 on the print for Noble-Meyer. Merrill to 275.
There you go, Padres.
80 on the print on the Merrill. David Wright for the Mets. We're looking at 75 on the print. And Sandberg with a 254 bomb. That's pretty up there. The Cubbies.
All right, Cubs.
How about a 2 of 10? Dylan Head. The Padres. And Grant. That's pretty low, Grant. Not going to lie to you.
Who's got the Cubs? Grant's got the Cubs too.
Oh, number match.
Woo!
The Twinkies. This guy's on all of the top lists for
Hey.
prospects.
There you go, Ben.
It's a beauty, Ben. Is this a number match break?
Yes, it is.
Oh, wow. And the rich are about to get richer. 39 of 49 for the Yankees.
Ooh, I knew Boys of Summer would turn around.
There it is. Who's got guesses on that card laying there? I'll give you a hint. Grant is going to be pleased. There's Solace. 20 of 49. Nice little rigid bump there, Grant, on the patch. Nice seam.
Ben says staying away from football. All right.
Staying away from it?
Yeah, I mean,
Why are you staying away from it? Football's hot.
treated him a little roughly.
Oh, okay.
Was not kind to him.
This one feels incredibly thick. I'm just saying. I don't think the other one felt this thick.
Padres are smashing it so far.
Padres are absolutely lighting it up. I don't know why this. Maybe this one is not anything special. Could be getting weaker. Oh, there's a booklet. A little mini booklet on the back. Ooh.
Have we seen a booklet on this?
But how about Ty Pete to 10 on the gold? 9 of 10. How's your Pete? Right back
More
to the
Merrill.
right back to the Padres. Jeez, DeVries.
Price of the Padres is going up.
And Sandberg. I'm getting deja vu over here. 68 on the print. And we're going first up. Tommy T for the Diamondbacks to 25.
Is that a cleat? I almost thought it was a cleat.
That is like a cap. Got cap up top. That is glove, I believe. Don't know what that is. It's something leathery. That's a sweet one. Diamondbacks and Grant. Here is Baumeister. The Meister to 99. 4 on the print for the Orioles. Mead. The Rays getting involved here. 10 on the print. And the Pirates to 75. Big old white piece for Grant.
All right, Grant.
Could be a pair of briefs there, Grant. You never know.
Got me a couple of these ladies.
Give them
I see 130s too.
a little booklet for the Pirates. Well, that might have been maybe that might have been the two best we've seen from
Boss.
yeah.
I mean, don't sleep on the boss.
Sometimes you just gotta talk. If you talk down to it, it delivered. 5-star. It's your turn.
You're waiting for that Bowman Chrome there, Herms. You're waiting for Churio first.
But first, we're waiting.
How many Jacksons are there in baseball? How many rookies and prospects are Jacksons? Jackson Churio, Jackson Merrill, Jackson Holiday, Jackson Burmeister,
What are we doing?
Jackson Job.
Why is it a just backwards sandwich?
When did everybody become infatuated with Jacksons?
Well, you can't hide that one. Yoshida. I'm unsure if it's inked or what its purpose is. It is a base card.
Let me check Ben. Hold on 1 second.
Saka Yoshida.
The Tommy Troy. is a 1 out of 25.
Oh,
Yes.
ho, ho.
Good call, Ben. Good eye.
Get Dylan out of here.
P. John was he was all flummoxed
I was flummoxed by
by
all
that beautiful.
the materials, the quality of stitch in that hat patch. Tommy slipped one by me. Here it is. Alright, relic. Tier 1. That is a little bit of Jeter. Game used Jeet. 23 on the print.
Plastic slider boxes right there. See, like, yeah, keep pulling that.
Alright,
Right
I
there.
believe these are both.
Perfect.
Not sure what we have going on here, but let's take a look. That is Michael Harris, 53 to 75 for the Bravos. And there's the patch. Steve Garvey on the ink. We're looking at 191 for the Dodgers. Dodgers, one of the last teams taken. Or no, that was the Yankees. Tom Nichols.
There you go, Tom.
And then we saw our Jeter 23 on the print.
Is this the first? What was that? Was that tier 1? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's about the same. Tier 1's a little different.
I've never seen.
I've never seen the base card before.
I don't think I've seen any 24 tier 1 yet. I feel like you just got this. Did you just get those?
Tier 1?
Yeah.
No, we've had tier 1.
Oh.
We just 5 stars. Fairly new.
I'd be thinking of 5-star.
24 Bowman Chrome. Sandy Koufax.
Don't worry.
Auto hunting.
I'm not going to slip again on these numbers.
There's Rick. What's going on, Rick?
There's Emptiness and Mini 1. There's Emptiness and Mini 2. Right off the rip, yellow Basabi or Slavis for the Rays, and Lorenzo, a good prospect there for the Dodgers. We got a duel. Diamondbacks
Just leave it.
and
We'll, we're good.
Diamondbacks and the Yankees gonna be random there. Ferreras first and Luciano first. We'll do a quick left side, right side, 1 through 3 left side, 4, 5, 6 right side. It is 4. All the duels going to the right. That is the Yankees on that one. Inked. First ink, and it is numbered. And it is Guillermo Williamson to a 100. The Giants. And that is Grant. There you go, Grant. Guillermo, 79 on the print there. First, Martinez and Asensio. There's our first Cheerio sighting. It came to the league. And then we got Morales and Valor, pair of firsts there. I think both solid names for the firsts. Cheerio and Cheerio. We're going to go a Brew Crew here. To the right, There's a Lugo to 499, 147. The high is 254. Nothing has touched it yet. DeVries first and Ricardo.
Got some pants swapping in the chat.
I'm not surprised.
Grant's putting his back on. Herm's just taking his off.
That's a nice one. Shimmer Morales. I think this is one of the chases for the Dodgers here. Beautiful.
There you go.
Castillo and
Rick.
Castillo and Palma on the first there. Send photos, but don't send them through the Instagram. Triantos, Albertus, and Zayas. There's Trout. Here is a pair of Dodgers. No need to random this one. Vargas and Lorenzo there. Bernard first and Martinez first. I feel like this one may be our ink, but let's go for it. I'm going to say it is Mookie. And that is Cecil for the Padres.
These Padres are killing this break.
Adler. Not numbered there. Guerrero and Sanchez, Reds and Mets. We got a little Jung-Hoo Lee, Montgomery, first Bowman there. Velorio and Big Boy Jalvin, Phillies. Don't mess with Jalvin when he's running, sliding in the home.
That's one thing about Bowman. You gotta all the chrome first. You have to sleep them.
A pair of Yankees here.
Tedious.
J-Dom and Arias.
Just put it in the.
Feliz and Curacao for the pile. Alright, final pack in this. Freeman. There's Salas on the insert. Teal and Dunn on the first there. All right. Let's see if 22 can heat it up now. See if this 22 can heat it up.
Bobby Witt. Bobby Witt. Bobby Witt.
I'm tired of not seeing a Bobby yet.
Did the Mets won, right?
Yeah, they clutched up.
Ooh. KC and the Yankees tied up 2-2.
Vinny
Bobby.
P. It's Will's boy, Vinny P.
Bobby Witt's 0 for 2. Bobby Witt's not having a good.
I saw gold and I saw rookie, but I did see the helmet. And it is Joe Ryan for the Twinkies.
Pride of the Twins.
And a refractor behind it. 1 of 50.
Jeez,
Not-
Twins. But
But Tommy's got you beat. 1 of 25. And here's Andrew Vaughn. 83 on the print. Alright, wild card. Don't let me down. Tired of being let down. I need to see a Bobby here.
gold. Rookie.
Tampa, I think.
No, Seattle. Is it Tampa or Seattle?
What is this? This is Brandon Lowe. Or Josh Lowe.
Josh Lowe. Okay.
Man, can you imagine? This could have been Wander.
I thought for a second it was Julio.
It could have been way worse.
Wander.
2 of 50.
That is gold.
How low can you go?
Going to Grant.
What do we think? 5-star or 2020? We got 2 double shots. What am I thinking here? It's a no-brainer.
End of the 5th. 2-2.
There we go. Beautiful. All right. See what the facilities has in store in this double shot. It is Mr. Skeens for Grant. My first Bowman of Skeens. Looking sharp. Mustache freshly trimmed for Skeens. All right. Comes an absolute
Jeez.
whopper. Holy
Padres.
moly. What are we doing at the facilities?
Top Sterling? Somebody paid $900 for that card.
I think I know where the I think I know what's happening with the Gremlins. Taking our prizes away from us. All right. Let's do this 5-star first, then we want our final shot at potentially running the break back.
No more Padres. As much as I would love to see a Jackson Merrill here. Need some Yankees.
The Reds.
Need some Reds, some Orioles.
Need to see some.
Whoa.
Three autos.
3 or is it?
Isn't that
Oh,
incorrect?
no, yeah. It's 3 cards. Yeah.
That's incorrect, right? And there,
I thought it was something chunky, but
I think there's only supposed to be 2 in these bad boys. Here we go. First. Oh, ho, ho. Hot start.
nice for the A's.
Lawrence Butler.
That is Ben. Ben, that's a nice card, buddy. He's hot as everything. Or was before the season ended.
Running. Corbin.
Grant with the Diamondbacks.
And he looks strange with a freshly shaved face. Corbin for the Diamondbacks. I got low expectations here. Those were 2 pretty solid hits. And they were warranted. Hanley Ramirez
Hey, Hanley Ramirez, not bad.
for the Fish. Fish always somehow sneak in an auto. Just has to happen for him. Fish and Ben. No disrespect to Hanley. Good, nice hit, man.
There's James. What's going on, James? Like he said though, he does have 15 teams, so. But the Padres are excessively hot tonight.
Empty mini. Alright, let's see what mini one's got.
Come on, Churio. We got Churio, Christian Vaquero for the Nationals.
Arias for the Yankees was big. Let's do it. Oh.
Of course, got rookies of Julio, Bobby Witt,
Seeing multiple. I've seen 2 colors so far.
O'Neal Cruz,
Lewis Gill. We're cooking now.
Oh,
Rookies for Gill.
Lewis Gill Superfractor coming. Let's go, James. Let's go.
And alright. First mini might be the better of the 2. Let's find out. And update 1 of 25 is the low. 254 with Mr. Sandberg absolutely holding that thing down. And they needed more. Padres. That is Fuchsia. 89 out of 199 there. Marte.
I can't even repeat it.
Grant, I got you. I'm about to go home though. I don't think they allow that in the store bathroom. Julio rookie. I don't know where the ink is. There's Gill rookie. Brujan rookie.
Just let it surprise you.
Mead and Kowser. Love it. No more slow rolls, boys. We're going all in. Here's a decent one. Nothing really that good. Julio. Teal Wave out of 199. That's an awesome card. How about this gold ink for Herman? Gold speckle Herman. Pass right over a Julio, but we'll take our time with Jack Herman. No, that for real, that Julio is awesome, Grant. Probably deserves its own. How about Lewis Gill refractor? Show us the high here. 94. Needed a digit. Needed a first digit there.
It's close. Close,
Ramos and
James.
Vasquez.
That's what we need. We need those refractors.
All right, let's take a minute. This is a huge card back in the day, Grant. Might still be. This is beautiful. Color match.
I feel like we hit a lot of Julio rookies out of nice ones out of Bowman Chrome.
I think we had like a yellow or I can't remember. I remember one in the shop.
It might actually be in my office.
There it is. Might be from, remember when you Percy'd those 10 cases of it? Might be from then.
Back in the dark days. The dark days of whatnot. We will be jumping on whatnot later tonight. Actually in about 10 or 15 minutes to win some soccer if anybody's interested.
Future you's watching this right now, pretty pleased with that Julio at the time.
The last comp on that Julio was $61.
Oh,
You used to probably be like $300.
don't put them down like that, Casey.
I don't know
Don't-
anything
don't-
about baseball. I was just
Don't
curious.
don't dash his hopes.
Yeah, that's a. All right. Here it is, Mini 2 coming at you. Suzuki rookie Valera came to the league for the Guardians. E-Guy Munoz for the Dodgers and Hernandez. 2 solid ones. Taylor Cruz, little Cowser action. Acosta. Purple Hernandez, nice. The Cubbies. Will we have a change at the top? Oh, it only goes to 250. 35. Thought it might could have. Balcazar on Kinsey Noel.
Yeah, the Brewers need to show up quickly. So do the Yankees.
Here they come. Brewers. Jake Rucker for the Twins. Twins did pretty about as good as the Twins can do tonight.
It's not any Dylan Cruz.
Josh Lowe, Palencia, and Vasquez there. All right. Double shot's got to come in huge here.
Double shot needs to rake it.
We got all the bases loaded. With the Reds, the Orioles, the Yankees, the Brewers. They're all waiting.
Grant is going to sweep the high and the low. Congratulations, Grant. Darius Rucker, Ben.
Grant is taking home, wow, a minimum of 12 Skeens cards. Oh, Jeter jersey, alright. That was a nice Jeter jersey.
The Jeter jersey out of Poplar?
It was out of Tier 1.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, Yankees are all right then. Not bad, not bad.
Orioles need. They might have got an auto in. I think I got a Boys of Summer auto of Baumeister now that I think about it. But Reds need it.
Yeah.
Here it comes. Blue Jays? Did they need it?
Oh, Blake!
They might have needed it. There you go, Blake. Vladdy.
Big league.
Electric orange. I don't see any numbering, but man, Vladdy ink is nice. Most Vladdy ink I've ever seen recently. All right, final card. Nuke us up. That is
Oh, Orioles.
Mountcastle purple.
Nice comeback, Orioles.
That is a saucy little minx there. What number? To 10. Oh, wow. 6 of 10 for the Orioles. That is a slapper.
There you go, Heath.
Dang. That's awesome.
All right. Quick recap, guys. Grant, we're going to ship them to you, all right? We're going to let you have some fun with them.
All right. Quick little recap here. Vladdy ink. Rucker, Hernandez, Sweet little Julio. Whoop. Is it a few? Jack Herman on the gold. Corbin Ink. Hanley. Lawrence Butler. Then nice little 5-star box there. Machado for the Padres. Skeens. A low to 50 for the Rays. You've already seen this, but wow to 10. Mountcastle for the Orioles. Cecil Williamson to 100. Ty Pete to 10. DeVries. Tier 1, we had Harris. Garvey. Then we had the Tier 1 Jeter patch there. Yoshida base. This was Henry Davis booklet.
It was worth a shot, Herms. It was worth a shot.
Baumeister head to 10. David Wright.
You've got good karma coming your way, Ben.
We did have a number match as well.
That's
or was
right.
this not a number match?
Yeah, it's a number match.
20 of 49. It was 5 of 5 for the Twins.
Twins, and I think Ben had the Twins. Yeah, so Ben, we got a pack coming to you.
And high and low Cubbies and Diamondbacks. 1 of 25 did it on the low. 254 held it down all night. A pair of Skeens. Illumination. Grant's looking for that first Skeens ink pull that he does himself. We'll slap you on Paul there. And there we go.
Thank you, guys. Again, we won't do a big one, but we'll run a little bit of Cosmic on Friday. We'll at least do a little bit. Maybe small random team, small pick your team, something like that. You get a little bit of feet wet of Cosmic. So we'll have Grant post everything on Face Smash, Ben. We'll do that. All right, guys, we gotta jump off and jump over to the whatnot. We will see everybody Friday night. Thank you, everybody, so much.
Peace out.
Lots of fun.